Oh, here he is. Here's Dave. Alright, Dave?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, alright.
Why are you wearing exactly the same as me? Exactly the same.
It's not, it's a mirrored image.
Oh, what?
A mirrored image.
How can it be a mirror image? You're a fucking nutter, you are. I want to go and see somebody.
I can
What?
see you can see me. Mirror. What are you doing?
He goes on and on and on and on. Yeah.
No, I'm just asking. What are you doing?
It was a very good live night. Very good, very funny. I had some
It was good.
strange guests.
It was a very
which
good.
is no, don't say his name. I had some strange guests, which was funny.
Yeah,
It was a good laugh.
it was. There was a couple.
I don't know. It was just good. You tell him.
Well, it was just short and sweet. We had a couple
Yeah.
of guests come on. I thought it was funny, so I'm gonna say it was funny, alright?
I'm looking
Oh,
for
I don't
the
know.
9-inch disc cut. I want to put them brushes in.
There
Can
it
be a
is.
mirrored image because you haven't got a cuppa. I got a cuppa. Oxtail
Oh,
soup.
right, so where'd you get your cup from?
Beat that one. Anyway, fuck off. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work.
You gotta go to
I
work?
am in work. Well, I'm not actually in work.
I stay here, you go to work.
Anyway, fuck off.
Yeah, fuck off yourself. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
Let's go.
Fuck off.
Like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks folks. God bless you. Hi there are a few links to more videos at the end. Don't take life too serious, life's too short for that nonsense.